What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about another really big brand that does completely free marketing in order to sell their dropshipping products. And this brand I'm about to show you guys is a very good example of the fact that you don't need that much money to start dropshipping in 2023, if any at all. And in this video, I'm going to reveal to you the product and then also the different strategies that they're using and how simple this can actually be. This brand has made at least multiple six figures just uploading organic content on YouTube. And the brand that we're talking about today is Revisa. I'm sure you guys have seen this UFO flying spinner that actually comes back to you when you throw it. It's very similar to the ball that was doing really well a couple of years ago. And I highly recommend, if you haven't watched my video on the stretchy bar that does completely organic traffic, just like Revisa, I recommend you check out that video. But when you guys look at their YouTube channel, they have 685,000 subscribers, 230 videos, and they're also verified. And they actually created this YouTube account on March 16th, 2020, and they almost are hitting 500 million views. And when you go to the shorts section, this is basically if you guys don't know what shorts is, it's basically the same thing as TikTok, right? But it's for YouTube. And it's completely organic traffic. You guys can see that they have a handful of videos. Now, if you go to the popular section, you guys can see that they're insane amount of views. Like, we have 79 million, 75 million, 66 million, 48 million. And if we were to click on this video right here, you guys can see that it's very simple. Like, you can create a video like this within a couple of minutes. And some of these videos aren't even created on YouTube Shorts. They upload videos on TikTok and they simply just download them, remove the watermark, and then re-upload them on YouTube. And you're probably wondering, well, how did they get sales, right? You can't put a link on your YouTube Shorts. All they're doing in the comment section is pinning their store. So they pin their store so the customers can actually go here and purchase the product. And this strategy is so underrated. I don't think a lot of people are doing this at the moment, or they don't understand the power of doing this, especially if you're uploading consistent content on YouTube Shorts. And when you go to their About section right here, you can go to their TikTok page. So if we go to their TikTok, you can see that they only have 157 followers on here, and they only maybe have like 15 or 20 videos. And this is proof to show you that all you really need is YouTube Shorts. If TikTok, let's say they go ahead and ban it, YouTube Shorts is the next best alternative next to Instagram Reels. And you also have to understand that these types of videos that are going insanely viral in here will probably go viral on TikTok as well, and vice versa. So if you're someone that knows how to create really good short form content like this, that'll catch people's attention within the first couple of seconds, you can create content like this video right here that responds to comments, doing video requests. You can go viral pretty easily. And the main reason as to why I think this brand is selling so well is because they took a product that was already selling, already had proof of concept. You know, there's other brands on TikTok and Facebook that sold this, that made millions of dollars, and all they did was take it onto another platform. Like I mentioned in my past videos, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. If you can find something that has already worked and then change up the marketing angle just a little bit, you can make a lot of money. And when you go to their actual website, you guys can see that it's a very simple site. Like, there's no crazy amount of branding, there's no crazy pictures that look super professional. In fact, I think a lot of these are probably even found on AliExpress. And you can even see that their brand logo is very simple as well. There's nothing extraordinary about this shop whatsoever. And this goes to show you that you don't have to have a crazy professional website. As long as you have a site that looks simple and clean and is easy to navigate, that's the important thing. But the main thing is that you have really enticing videos to get people actually to your website and purchase your product. So you guys can see here that we have the Revisa spinner for $19.95. And looking at this, you would think, well, this is kind of cheap, right? In the paid advertising world, trying to sell something like this, you would make $0. Like, your profit margin would be super low. But because they're only doing organic traffic, they don't have to worry about all the extra ad costs. And they're able to charge this price. And if you go on AliExpress, you can get this product for $7, you guys. $7 with 12-day deliveries and free return. Now, I'm sure that these guys at this point probably have their own supplier, so they probably get it a lot cheaper than this and get a lot better shipping times. But if we were to assume that they have a cost of goods of $7 and they sell it for $20, they're making a $13 profit margin. And there's such little risk with doing this YouTube short strategy because no matter what, as long as you're charging more than what you're getting the product for, you're going to make a profit. Now, they also have this Revisa Pro variant that actually looks pretty cool, and they're selling it for $35.95. Now, for this specific one, I couldn't really find it on AliExpress, but it's safe to say that at most, like, we're looking around $15 for the top variant of this product. So they're making an easy $15 to $20 of profit for every single sale from organic traffic that they're getting to their website. And when you guys actually look at their product page, like, they have 58 reviews, they have a simple video showing the product, you guys can see that in their description, they don't even have anything crazy. All they did was upload a video of the product being used, how to use it, all the different features, how cool it is. Like nowadays, you don't have to have a whole bunch of text in your description, but they also have these tabs right here. They talk about how does it work. They also talk about, is it easy to use, and then will it cut my fingers. So this is an example of a very simple and straight to the point product page, which is exactly what you guys want if you want to have a better conversion rate. And you guys can see that they're using Alley Reviews at the bottom, which is actually a very good review app if you want to have professional and very clean looking reviews on your site. But I do believe Alley Reviews is around $20 per month, but if you're making 4 to 5 figures a month just from one store, then I don't think that would be a problem whatsoever. Like, you can get this entire website probably done in 30 minutes if you were to utilize ChatGPT as well. Another thing I wanted to mention to you guys is that I actually have a winning product membership where I list new winning products every single day that are very similar to these, and all of them you can start testing with little to no money because they use TikTok organic marketing. I list everything in terms of their stores, their TikTok accounts, also the suppliers that you guys can use on AliExpress, and they're really just good products that you guys can be testing, especially if you have a very low budget. I'll throw up some results of my recent members here, and you have to remember this is mostly profit because we're doing organic marketing. And it includes a free A to Z dropshipping course, and it also includes free email marketing templates that you guys can be using, and also a private group. So if you guys want to check that out, you can check it out down in my description or the comments. Now, another thing I want to show you guys is just the amount of traffic that they're getting to their website, and also that they're completely organic. So you guys can see that we have a global rank of 49,000, which is extremely good, a country rank of 60,000, which is actually going up. They're getting more traffic from the United States. And then also they have 1.7 million visits within the past month. And it seems like their traffic is fluctuating just a little bit. Like we have 5.3 million, 2.3 million. It seems to be going down a bit, but still getting at least 1 million people to go to your website every single month. That's a lot of conversions, even if you have a low conversion rate. And you guys can see here that they get a lot of traffic from the United States, India, the United Kingdom, and that their age distribution for the type of people that are buying these products is anywhere from 18 to 34 years old. Now, here's what I want to show you guys. At the bottom here, you guys can see that they are 100% organic traffic. They're doing 0% on paid marketing. Like, I haven't seen any types of paid advertising or sponsored videos from Revisa whatsoever, so that's actually pretty insane. And you guys can see down here, it says social media traffic to Revisa.com. We have 98% on YouTube and 1% on Reddit. Now, another really cool feature that I didn't actually know YouTube has is this store tab right here. So if you click on store, you can actually list different products on here and it'll link directly to your website. So if we were to click Revisa Spinner Red, it'll go directly to the link. If we were to go to their regular long form videos, you guys can see that they really don't have anything here. They have 5 videos that are super simple. A couple of these videos were actually on the website. So it's obvious that they get all of their traffic from YouTube Shorts. So what I would recommend that you guys do, if you want to do something very similar to this, is find a product that has already been proven to sell and upload videos on YouTube Shorts and then also on TikTok. The cool thing that I do like about TikTok is that the editor seems a little bit easier and has more features compared to YouTube Shorts, and just re-upload them on Shorts. That way you can really diversify the amount of traffic that you're getting to your store. And I also cannot emphasize this enough. Make sure you guys create a separate account on your TikTok to respond or create comments on your videos to do video requests. When you do this, you're going to get a lot more people to be enticed to engage on your videos and the potential for them to go insanely viral. All these things that I showed you guys in this video is very simple to do. You don't have to reinvent the wheel at all. You just have to think outside the box and not try to sell the exact same products on all the same platforms that most people do. All these guys probably did was go on Amazon, purchase a product for, let's say, $20. They have it in hand, they have a decent phone, buy a Shopify subscription, and that's it. You can start all this for under $100. So yes, you can sell saturated products. You just need to find a new marketing angle or a different ad platform. But with that being said, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video and you got some value out of it. Be sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.